Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert left way arrow over right way arrow in world. So very easy you can insert. So first you need to click on insert and this is the last option, symbol and more symbols. Just click on it. So this type of screen will be open. So font select, this one. Then you can type this character code. So font select this one. And character code is character code is 21C4. Simply type this character code and click on insert. And second one 21C6. So just type this character code and click on insert. Now close it. So very easily you can insert left way arrow over right way arrow in world. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and comment this video work for you or not. Thanks for watching again.